Well, a very good evening to all our viewers. Welcome back to Media Plus News. In a press conference held at the Shillong Press Club, few concerned citizens of the state had expressed their disappointment and dissatisfaction at the recent notification of the government to the Social Welfare Department with regards to patrilineal lineage of the Bynniaw people. Speaking at the press conference, the representative of concerned citizens of Meghalaya, Bynniaw, said that the notification of the government to the Social Welfare Department on patrilineal lineage cannot be accepted by the Bynniaw people, as this would mean interference into tradition, rights and customary laws of Bynniaw. He urged upon the government to withdraw the notification, which might pose a threat to the unique matrilineal system of lineage in Meghalaya.
PT.1/122 dated Bynniaw November ajar po kani notification kada ni ong haktin nang way gede SW under bracket S 82/2011/PT.1/122 dated Shillong 17 November 2020 but kani ka notification ni dawa na kasorka jala bagadi ban pendam si sendan.
While voicing his concern on the non-implementation of ILP in the state, Bynniaw said that the government should secure defence through the autonomous district councils of Khasi and Jait Hills of Meghalaya towards safety and security of the indigenous people of the state.
Ya notification bangi kuntu jor ya Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ya Jait Hills Autonomous District Council bakini kin ha ban yang ban pentrai kam hok ya kini ki bills ya kini ki ain ki bagi dapat chna ban ya da na kam ta ri bag jai bendre jengi lada kimla ban yang ban le persa sisen kasngi ngin ha ban yang ban dawa ya kita ban penduk pendam no sisen kasngi nama ngim so tenar bakin chu yang berculong tang kum kita ki breu ki bangin wan hakani ki jala jala jong bangin chulong tang ki nong tong om bagin nong thoding jongno andai kita ada bi pelai baka jala jongi hi ka breu hunya trap nyuskum ka pelong do ka pelong snam yang ni ka jala Meghalaya jongi barok ko kum baka pau mentang ni sngi